Hey everyone, Ushma this side and welcome back to Be10x channel. In this video, we will explore the use of artificial intelligence in human content creation. We will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of utilizing AI technologies to generate content. Join to discover the potential benefits and drawback of AI-driven content creation in various fields. Before starting the video, if you are interested in AI learning tools and want to fasten your career growth in just 3 hours, then there is a workshop in AI tools which is designed to save your job and make you irreplaceable in the industry. We will talk more about in later part of this video. Now let's see what is AI content and how this content creation works.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
Imagine this: you are a writer and facing a deadline. Instead of staring a blank page, you feed your topic into an AI tool and boom, out pops a full-fledged blog post, script, or even poem. That's the magic or maybe madness of an AI content creation. With this ability to process vast amount of information and replicate human-like functionality, AI serves as a powerful tool for content creation in many fields. Let's explore the pros and cons of AI content creation. But before that, are you the one who wants to fasten your task or wish to complete your task ahead of a schedule? So there is a wonderful opportunity which is in front of you of only ₹9, making PPT in just 10 seconds and can do any kind of IT work under 10 minutes. You can also become 1% of Excel users who can use the function as well as save your 90% of time on daily basis. You can also become a highly paid prompt engineer without no prior knowledge, and also you can save up to 2 hours every day. You can hike your salary up to 3x. Join 3-hour workshop, link is in description, as I know that AI won't replace you but a person using AI will. Let's move to pros and cons. In terms of efficiency and speed, imagine churning out blog posts, scripts, videos, and social media content in a fraction of time. That's the promise of AI-powered content creation tools. Algorithms can regenerate or generate the various content formats, freeing up your time for brainstorming, research, and editing. You can scale your content output to new heights, reaching a wider audience and boosting engagement. But it will lack of originality and creativity. While AI can mimic existing styles, it often struggles with the true originality and emotional depth. Content generated solely by machines can feel formulaic and lack of unique voice and perspective that human creators bring. This can lead to a homogenization of content and disconnect with the audience. Let's move and see the another advantage, which is overcoming writer's block and brainstorming ideas. AI can be your brainstorming buddy. Tools like Jarvis and Writer can suggest ideas, outlines, and even complete draft, helping you overcome writer's block and spark new creative files. They can also generate different creative text formats like poems, quotes, script, musical pieces, email, letter, etc., giving you a fresh perspective on your project. AI ability to mimic human writing raises ethical concerns, especially around the spread of misinformations. Malicious actors can use AI to generate fake news, articles, and social media posts, manipulating public opinion and causing real-world harm. It's crucial to be aware of these risks and use AI responsibly. If we talk about personalization and customization, AI can analyze your audience data and preference to personalize your content, making it more relevant and engaging. Imagine tailoring your videos to specific demographics or writing blogs posts that speak directly to your readers. This level of personalization can drive deeper connections and boost audience loyalty. And the most crucial question about job displacement and the future of work. As AI becomes more sophisticated, some fear it will replace human content creators altogether. While certain tasks may be automated, that human touch in storytelling, critical thinking, and emotional connection with is always irreplaceable. The key is to see AI as a tool to augment human creativity, not to replace it. As AI won't replace people, but a person using AI will definitely. Is the AI savior or the doom of human content creation? Considering the pros and cons of AI in content creation, it becomes clear that AI can significantly enhance efficiency, accuracy, and cost effectiveness. However, it also presents challenges concerning creativity, ethics, quality control, human connection, and job displacement. Striking a balance between AI driven content creation and human expertise seems crucial to leverage the advantages while addressing the limitations. Thank you for watching our video on AI in human content creation pros and cons. We hope you found it informative and thought provoking. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated with future videos. Leave your comments and questions below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care and keep creating.